Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 52, unit number 10, the time of day. Unit 10, lesson 1, listen and speak. Ask and answer questions about Ali's day with the help of the given words. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up. He get up at 7 o'clock. He eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. He eat lunch at 1 o'clock. He have a eat at 4 o'clock. He eat dinner at 6 o'clock. He go to bed at 7 o'clock. Now look at D part. Sing this song. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday is cereal day. Is everybody happy? Yes, of course we are. Tuesday is bread day and jam. Wednesday is eggs. Thursday is fish. Friday is cheese. Saturday is beans. And Sunday is fruit day. So different food is eaten every day. Now look at your page number 53. Read the word with the or and wh sound. Match the picture to the words. Or, morning, like horse, horns, short, or, for, whistle, white, what, when, where, why. So you have to match with morning to this picture, horse to this picture, horns there. These are horns. Match it like this. Short. This is the picture of short. Match it. Now look at C part. Fill in the blanks with word from exercise A. When do we get up? We get up in the morning. What are these? They are shorts. Where is Sarah? She is on a horse. The goat has short horns. Match the words to the picture. Here we have some words: night, evening, morning, and afternoon. Okay, in this picture show morning time, and this picture show evening time. This picture show afternoon, and this picture show night time. So match it like this. Now look at page number 54, unit number 10, lesson 3, reading Sarah's day. Listen as you read both stories, then answer the questions. How is Sarah's day different from Mango Jango day? Here we discuss about Sarah days, and on the next page we discuss about Mango Jango's day. Hi, I'm Sarah. I always get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I clean my teeth and have a bath, and I get dressed. I eat my breakfast at 7 o'clock. I like bread, jam, and milk. I like 2 spoons of sugar in my milk. I don't like tea. I never drink it. I got to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Tuesday, we have singing. I love singing. Sarah likes singing. On Friday, we have games. I like running, but I don't like playing with a ball. Sometimes my friend laughs at me because I can't catch the ball. We have a break at 11 o'clock and we go home at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I usually have lunch at 2 o'clock. Then I do my homework. Sometimes Fiza is naughty and blows a whistle in my ear because Fiza is naughty. We eat our dinner at 8 o'clock. Then I sometimes watch TV or read a book. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock at night. I stay at home on Saturday and Sunday because Saturday and Sunday is off days for Sarah. Now here we read about Mango Jango's day. Hello, I'm Mango Jango. This is what I do every week. I always get up at 11 o'clock in the morning. I never clean my teeth. Oh my god, he's dirty. On Monday, I have a bath. I always wear white shorts. I sit in my mango tree and blow my whistle at my birds. On Tuesday and Wednesday, I eat insects. but I don't like bees because they sting, so I usually eat nice big flies. I catch them with my tongue. On Thursday and Friday, I swim in the sea. I always eat fish. I like shark very much, but I never eat turtles because they are my friends. I go to school on Saturday and Sunday. We ride horses at school. We ride cycles on one wheel. Too. Sometimes I fall off. I go home in the evening. I eat dinner at 12 o'clock. I usually eat towers. I always drink some milk. Then I go to sleep. Now look at B part. Make question and answers about Sarah and Mango Jangos. Does Sarah get up at 11 o'clock? Get up at 11 o'clock? No, she does not. Does Sarah go to bed at 8 o'clock? Yes, she does. Does Sarah eat insects? No, she does not. Does Sarah like singing? Yes, she does. Does Sarah go to school on Monday? Yes, she does. Does Sarah go to school on Sunday? No, she does not. Does Mango Jango get up at 11 o'clock? Yes, he does. Does Mango Jango go to bed at 8 o'clock? No, he does not. Does Mango Jango like singing? No, he does not. Does Mango Jango goes to school on Monday? No, he does not. Does Mango Jango go to school on Sunday? Yes, he does. Look at page number 56, unit number 10, lesson 4, sentences. Answer the questions about Mango Jango. Use at for time, use on for days. When does Mango Jango get up? He get up at 11 o'clock. When does he sit in a tree? He sit in a tree on Monday. When does he eat insects? He eat insects on Tuesday and Wednesday. When does he swim in the sea? He swims on Thursday and Friday. When does he go to school? He go to school on Saturday and Sunday. When does he go home? He go home in the evening. When does he eat dinner? When does he eat dinner? He eat dinner at 12 o'clock. Look at C part. Complete Mango Jango's questions and copy Sarah's answers. Number 1. What do you like best, oranges or bananas? I like oranges best. Number 2. How many sisters do you have? I have one sister. Where are your pencils? They are in my pencil box. Question 4 is, when do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Who cooks your dinner? My mother cooks my dinner. Page number 57 is your homework. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.